Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair Roku TV Remote without pairing button. So you just have to follow these 5 steps in order to do this. First of all, you need to open the battery compartment of your remote and make sure that the batteries are correctly installed. If they are old or weak, you just have to replace them with the new ones. Afterwards, you just have to unplug your Roku device from the power source. Then you need to wait for a few seconds and then plug it back in. This can sometimes reset the connection and allow your remote to sync. In the third step, you just have to download the Roku mobile application on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. The app can act as a remote control. Now you need to ensure your Roku device and the smartphone or the tablet with the Roku app are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the app to communicate with your Roku device. Now you need to open the Roku app on your smartphone or tablet. Use the remote feature within the app to control your Roku device. You need to navigate to the settings menu on your Roku screen using the app and follow any on-screen instructions in order to complete the sync process. So with the help of these 5 steps, you will be able to easily sync your Roku remote without pairing button. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.